Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you self-rising projector. I am very excited about this. There we go. Wow, look at that. User manual. And here's the box. Let's see. Remote controller and power cable. Here is the power cord area. Let's plug it in. And we can go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. Let's check the remote controller. You can hang it somewhere and continue using it. We have 3 buttons on the controller. This is gonna go up, this is gonna stop, and this is gonna go down. Let's go up and stop, go down. Perfect. Here is the area. You can do it manually. Let's see the mechanism. Now we already synced. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Whenever you turn it on, it's gonna tell the projector, go ahead and rise. We're gonna watch something. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Perfect. And it's ready. Let me go ahead and dim the light. Now everything is ready. Quality is perfect. Now we can go ahead and watch something. Let's check it out closely. The colors are perfect. When we check the projector screen, there are no wrinkles and it is very flat. Let's check it out closely. There you go. Perfect. Operating is very easy. You can up and down or stop. And here is the area for manual controlling. Let's turn it off. Perfect. Definitely suggested. It has an application. When you go to the app, it's going to show you automatically. Go ahead and add. After you put the password for the Wi-Fi, it's going to continue. Now it's being added. Let's wait a little bit. And now that's it. Perfect. And it's getting ready. Let's try to use the application. And this is motor direction. You can reverse it. Open, stop, close. And you can lift it from here too. Or close. Stop. Open. Stop. Close. Let's check the settings. There is timer. You can add the timer for opening or closing. And these are additional settings. You can share the device with your loved ones, device information, create group, third-party application, Alexa, and Google Home.